Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Ashraf Alauddin. I'm from Senior High School Mutiara Hikmah. Today, I would like to talk about something very meaningful. But before that, let uh, let let us praise and thank God for His blessing, and so we can gather here today in good and healthy. Let's us send salawat and salam to our Prophet Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And this is my pleasure to stand here to deliver my speech. The honorable and judges, Sundanese cultural is matter to the world. Sundanese culture, which mean Sundanese culture, which come West Java, Indonesia, is rich in values, tradition, and wisdom. It teach us about respect, harmony, and simplicity, values that are not only important for Indonesians but for people all around the world. One of the most important values in Sundanese culture is Siliasah, Siliasih, Silasuh. To learn from, which means to learn from each other, to love one another, to care one for another. In today's world, where people often feel divided, these values are relevant. They remind us to build stronger relationship and live peacefully together. In addition, Sundanese culture is closely connected to nature. The traditional practice encourage people to live in balance the environment. At a time when the world is facing climate change, Sundanese art such as music, dance, and language also contribute to global cultural diversity. They show us of beauty, human creativity, and identity. When we share this tradition to the world, we help preserve mutual heritage and mutual promote understanding. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that why Sundanese culture matters to the world, because it offers harmony, respect to nature. It just not values, local values. That's all of my speech today. I hope this speech will be useful and open everyone's eyes to the beauty of Sundanese culture. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.